Holmarc's 2D transfer system with trinocular microscope, model HO2DTS TM02BD, is used to fabricate high-quality 2D heterostructures and twisted layers. This motorized system is equipped with a high-resolution trinocular microscope with extra-long working distance objectives for monitoring the transfer processes. The substrate will be fixed on a vacuum thermal chuck, which can be moved in the X, Y, Z, and theta directions. The sample temperature can be controlled from room temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. The motorized XYZ stamping stage with manual tilting platform helps the user to place the stamp accurately on the substrate. These highly precise 9-axis stages provide the highest degree of freedom in alignment during the transfer processes. User-friendly software with live measurement features will be provided with the system for controlling the transfer processes, sample focusing, and microscope objective selection. A joystick console is also provided for controlling the transfer process while observing the sample through the binocular. The trinocular microscope features a Z focusing stage with an infinity-corrected optical system and bright field observation method. The illumination is provided through reflected, coaxial or episcopic, high bright white light-emitting diodes, which are intensity adjustable. The manual, revolving nosepiece is quadruple with positive precision click stops, and the Sedentopf trinocular head is angled at 30 degrees with an interpupillary adjustment range of 48 to 775 mm. This system finds applications across several advanced fields, including the fabrication of transistors and sensors, the development of photodetectors, the optimization of battery electrodes, the exploration of topological insulators, and the advancement of valvetronics technologies. Holmarc's 2D transfer system with trinocular microscope, model HO2DTS TM02BD. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.